Hello all, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will learn how to use Power Automate to open a web page and to fill the text fields automatically. We can learn it with a very basic example. I will show you how to open Indeed web page and to fill the job keywords, job location and to search jobs automatically. Let's dive in. Here you are seeing the home page of Power Automate tool. You can download Power Automate tool from Microsoft Store. To start the automation, in the left side top, you will see the option New Flow. Click it. Here you can give name to your file. I am naming like Web Automation Basic. Now your new automation workplace will open. In left side, you can see various actions that is used for automation. You can automate folders, browser, Excel, Word and various tools. Now let's learn how to use these actions to make a automation to open Indeed web page in Chrome and to search job. Under browser automation, you will see an action named Launch New Chrome. Drag it into the main workspace. Now a window will be opened. Here you have to paste the web page link that is to be opened. Below here, you can choose window state as required. I am choosing maximized. Keep remaining options as it is. Now save it. Now the first flow has been created. Next go to web page option into workplace. Here in URL area, paste the URL again. Now click save. Now, we have completed automation to open Indeed web page in Chrome. Let's see how it works. Click the triangle icon to run the flow. Now you can see a Chrome window automatically opened and the Indeed web page is opening automatically. Now we have to automate to add keywords, location and to search jobs. In flows tree, go to web form filling. Here drag the option populate text field on web page into workplace. Now a window will appear. Click UI element and click add UI element. It will redirect you to the web page. Here a UI element picker window will open. Here you can see the instructions how to choose the text field. We have to move the cursor to the text field, and by holding the Ctrl key, left-click the text field. Now the text field will be added in the command. Here we can type job keywords to be searched. I am giving job keyword as Technical Illustrator and click Save. Now we have to do the same to fill the job location field. Again drag populate text field on web page to main workflow. Now again add UI element. Choose location field with holding Ctrl and left click. Here I am entering job location. Click Save. Now we have to click on Find Jobs on Indeed. To automate this, here is an action called Click Link on Web Page. Drag it here. In UI element, choose the Find Jobs button by holding Ctrl key. Now we have completed the automation for job searching in Indeed. Now let's run the flow. Click on the triangle icon. Now you can see the Indeed page is opening automatically and the keywords location are autofilled and job is searched automatically. You can automate any website like this. Hope you understand the process. Now we can save the flow by clicking the save icon. If you have any doubts, please ask in comment section. We will upload more videos on Power Automation on coming days. Thanks for watching.